Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add your Google Search Console verification HTML file in WordPress. So first, I will select the website I want to verify. It's blog.benstutorial.com. Since this website is already added to Google Search Console, I will look from my HTML verification file from here. Ownership verification. My website is already verified using HTML tag. So I will click on HTML file, click on this button. As you see, this is the verification HTML file. It is downloaded to my computer. Now to upload this to my WordPress website, I will go to, since my website is hosted on Hostinger, I will log into my Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the same WordPress site, click on dashboard. After that, I will go to files, then file manager, click on access files of my website. A new page opens up. Here, make sure to upload your HTML verification file inside the public HTML file. Do not upload anything here. So double click the public HTML folder like that. Then look for the upload button. Select file, locate the verification file Google Search Console gave you. This is it. The file is uploaded as you see here. Now I can go back to Google Search Console, select and click on verify below HTML file verification method. They are verifying, ownership verifying failed. Here, if you are sure that your website or if your verification method is downloaded successfully, here if you see closely, the download or the file or the verification file ends with 31.html. Since I downloaded multiple files, the verification file started taking a different name. My computer did that for me. So here, make sure to verify the first file, which is called directly 31.html, or in my case 31. In your case, I'm sure it will be a different number. So I will upload again the correct file and then go back to Google Search Console and hit verify again. As you see, verification successful next to HTML file. And this is how to add a HTML verification file into your WordPress site to verify Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.